Hello, welcome to Learning Every Day with me, Lisa Aaron. I'm here to help you learn. I have broken down the basic coursework. Begin by taking your time, and if you need to review anything, simply go back and watch the lesson again. As you watch, I think you will be amazed at how much you will understand through pictures and examples. I have taken the time to offer many examples, so you will be given ample instruction for success. Hello, welcome to my channel, Learning Every Day with Lisa Aaron. Today we're going to be learning about division. I'm going to be showing you quite a few things. Reasons we divide. Imagine playing cards. You want everybody to have the same number of cards before you begin a game. That's a form of division, making sure everybody has equal sets. Let me show you. Division. An operation on any numbers that tells how many groups or how many in each group. Let me show you division on a number line. 4 divided by 2. We begin at 4. And how many 2's are in 4? 1, 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. It can also be written like this. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 6 divided by 2. We begin at 6 and we divide by 2's. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 16 divided by 4. We begin at 16, go 4 spaces each time to figure out how many go into 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. 15 divided by 5. We begin at 15, we go 5 spaces, 5 more spaces, 5 more spaces. If you know your multiplication, you know that 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 and 5 is 10, 5 more is 15. These are examples of division symbols. Each symbol here means to divide. Ways to write division. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. See, there's 16 tigers and there's 4 sets of them. 4 sets of 4. It can be written like this or this. The bottom, 16 divided by 4 on the bottom, is called a fraction. Division with sets. If you know multiplication facts, you are ready for division. It's very important to know your multiplication first. 2 times 10 equals 20. Or you can say 20 divided by 10 equals 2. 10 into 20 equals 2 times. Each set has to have equal amounts. I'm showing you equal amounts to begin with. You can also have a mixed fraction with a remainder, but for these examples, we're working with equal amounts with no remainder. So 20 divided by 2 equals 10. 20 is the number in all, 2 is the number of groups, 10 equals the number in each group. 20 divided by 10 equals 2, 2 groups of 10. 20 divided by 10 equals 2, or 20 divided by 2 equals 10. Notice the relationship of the numbers, how they can switch around to get the answer. If you know your multiplication facts, you are ready for division. 5 times 3 equals 15, or 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 3 into 15 equals 5 times. 15 dogs, and we grouped them into 3, making 5 groups of 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 sets of 3 dogs. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. There's 5 in each set. There's 3 sets total. 3 sets, 5 in each set, 15 altogether. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 15 in all divided by 3 in each set equals 5 sets. We can write a division problem. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Five sets, 3 in each set, 15 altogether. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 15 in all divided by 5 in each set equals 3 sets. If you know your multiplication facts, you are ready for division. 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. We have 12 dogs. 3 into 12 equals 4 times. We have 12 dogs, and we're breaking it into 3 groups, equals 4 sets. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Do you see the relationship? If you know your multiplication facts, you are ready for division. 4 times 8 equals 32. 32 divided by 8 equals 4. 8 into 32 equals 4 times. "32 divided by 8 equals 4. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. 32 divided by 8 equals 4. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. If you know your multiplication facts, you are ready for division. 3 times 7 equals 21. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. 7 into 21 equals 3 times. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. We can multiply this out. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18, plus 3 more is 21. 7 times 3 is 21. Or we can say 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. If you know your multiplication facts, you are ready for division. 2 times 4 equals 8. Or 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 4 into 8 equals 2 times. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Let's look at divisibility rules. Divisibility by 2. If the last digit is even, the number is divisible by 2. All numbers ending in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are divisible by 2. Divisibility by 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, the number is divisible. Example, 32,457. We can take each digit and add them together. 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 equals 21. 21 is divisible by 3, so we know the number 32,457 is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. The rule is, if the last two digits form a number divisible by 4, the number is divisible by 4. For example, 475,816,000 is divisible by 4 because the last two digits are 16, and 16 is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. If the last digit is a 5 or a 0, the number is divisible by 5. Example, 45. 45 ends with a 5, so we know 45 is divisible by 5. Divisibility by 6. If the number is even and divisible by both 3, it is divisible by 6. Example, 36. 36 divided by 3 equals 12. 36 divided by 2 equals 13. 36 is divisible by 6. Divisibility by 7. Double the last digit and subtract it from the rest of the number. If the number is 0, that is all right. Example, 133. Double the 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. The number other than the last number is 13. Subtract 6 from 13 equals 7. 7 is divisible by 7. Divisibility by 8. If the last 3 digits form a number divisible by 8, for example, 8,864. 864 divided by 8 equals 108. 8,864 is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. Example, 43,533. We take each digit and add them together. 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3 equals 18. 18 is divisible by 9. 43,533 is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. If the number ends in a 0, it is divisible by 10. Division flashcards. I've enjoyed learning with you. If this was helpful, subscribe for future videos. These educational books are written in a unique manner that teach a younger child to an older child, depending on how the material is presented. It is my fundamental goal to educate in a way that teaches children to a higher level of learning. I'm a believer that children can learn if you expose them, break down the concept to simpler elements. Check out these for their academic usefulness.